Hey everybody, welcome back to Okies Eden. Um, I decided this morning, since I'm not going to plant today because it's supposed to be cold tomorrow and Sunday, um, that I'm going to prep the next 12 square foot bed for some more asparagus plants. Um, and this is how I do it. Uh, I didn't, other than the cultivator I showed you the other day, this has all been done by hand. And these are my weapons of choice: a shovel and a spade fork. So let me turn this down a little bit and I'll give you an idea what I do. All I do is I dig the dirt, okay, 12 square feet turned with the shovel first. That's a rough turn. I'll get rid of that. Now I'm going to go at it with the spade. The spade is to knock all the dirt out of the roots. I get rid of all that. Okay, as you can see, that is now 12 square foot of cultivated soil. And now next week, I'm going to get more asparagus plants, and then I'm going to bring my compost over here, and I'll mix in compost with this soil, and it should really do well growing the asparagus. So that's really, it's that simple. Uh, it's good exercise, and it keeps me in quasi decent shape. So that's what I'm shooting for, is to grow my own vegetables and stay healthy. The other thing I did want to mention was, in this video, was as I've been trying to zero in on what my intentions are as far as gardening this year. I am doing green beans. I'm going to do a bunch of potatoes, and I'm planting 2-year asparagus crowns. They claim if it's a 2-year planting, you can harvest that year. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to allow them to grow, absorb everything from the sun, and then next year, when I have 8 or 10 or 12 plants or whatever, then I'll start my harvest next year. And then we plan on getting a couple of apple trees, dwarf apple trees. Now, dwarf apple trees can grow up to 300 apples per tree if they're doing well. So the gardening technique, I guess you'd call it, is what I'm trying to do is potatoes grow easy. I'm growing them inside, I'm growing them outside. Asparagus, you plant them, they're good for 20, 25 years. You just got to, water them, fertilize them every once in a while, every year. So low maintenance on those. Potatoes are low maintenance. And then if I have 3 apple trees, different varieties, because you have to cross-pollinate, but I'll get 2 or 3 varieties. And once they start producing, my goal is to have unlimited harvest of potatoes, all the asparagus I want, and I can't eat 900 apples myself. So the goal is make your gardening as easy as you can for yourself. We love potatoes, we love apples, we love asparagus. They're all low maintenance. So that would be my tip for gardening. I do grow other small crops. I'll do some beans and radishes and things like that, but the main groups I'm going to grow are going to be the potatoes, asparagus, and apples. So with that said, I'll catch you in the next video. You guys have a great day.